Hi, and welcome to WebApps Classroom. My name is Joshua Foreman. You can call me Foreman or Mr. Foreman or Joshua Foreman, whatever. Good to meet you. Glad to have you here. This is a quick to-do on how to get signed up for the curriculum. So, on our main page here on Discord, on the left, you'll notice you got your WebApps Bootcamp, but some of the stuff will probably look different here. But in the WebApps Bootcamp, you have curriculum. Now all our curriculum is going to be here. Right here, you're signing up for it. So it's a Google Doc, because actually the curriculum I created is here in Evernote. So in order to share an Evernote notebook with you, I need your email. So that's what this form's about. So you can just put in your form, your name, which you prefer to be called. Foreman is good for me, and then code with foreman@gmail.com. Then you submit it, and then I'll notice that you submitted it and sign up your email, and then you'll get this response from me, from Joshua Foreman, in your email. Your email will look different. It'll look like whatever your email looks like, Hotmail or whatever. And you'll get this thing from me that says Evernote sharing notebook with you. Awesome. Accept the invitation. It'll take you to the Evernote. Now, if you have one already, you can log in. If not, right here you can create one. It autofilled this guy for me, and then the password I'm just going to put in. Alright, so here you are once you're logged in. Getting started. You can look at this stuff. What brings you to Evernote? I'm here for school. Sure, mostly using the web browser. There's a desk app that you can download if you want. I don't know. None of this stuff, I don't think it really matters. Don't sign up. Unless you want to pay for it, you can, but like on the left here, just do continue with basic plan, which is free. None of the stuff that we're using in this class at all should cost you any money. So here we are. Boom. You can create notes on the left here if you want. You'll have some notes that are actually shared with you. Do I have to click on something? Fine. Boom. Next, la la la. This is how you can make stuff. You can follow along with the tutorial on your own. Yeah, there are all these cool nifty things that you can make with their notes. Alright, so through all that stuff, and please feel free to get into that. It's important, it's cool, and there are all these ways of keeping notes and stuff. So it's a note keeping thing, and so the class is kept as a set of notebooks. And on the left here, you'll see that you can create new notes if you want, or right here there's a notebooks, and if we get that drop down, boom, notebooks. Ah yes, but it's going to be here right under that, shared with me. Ah, there it is. Yes, we got this, and it's shared by Josh Foreman. We click on that. Awesome. And notice, boom, it was added to my notebook. So it was added to your notebooks. So you should have viewing privileges on this, and you can see it's the curriculum. It doesn't come up in order, which is kind of annoying. Right here, you go to the sort options, sort it by title, because it is by number, and we'll do bottom to top, or if you want to sort it top to bottom, you can click title again, and then there's the start here. And then this is where you start, and you can start here and start working through these. This is where the curriculum is going to be located for a large part, along with these videos on YouTube, and of course links and resources. So those getting you started here. Please continue with these, and there will be more videos to come. All right, later. Have fun.